That's right. Rigid Industry pods. They are the DXL Pros. They are the driving version. According to the box, correct me if I'm wrong, the box says it has somewhere around 9,700 and 700 and something lumens. That is a lot. These things are bright. We have powered them on to see what they look like. They're pretty dang bright. They're like laser beams that is going to burn Adam's eyeballs out in his mirrors whenever I am behind him.
That's what he thinks.
So, Adam, how do you feel about me being brighter than you now?
Oh, that's not going to last long.
Okay, so these are going on the Talon.
They're gonna go right here, ain't they?
Yeah, we're gonna have to remove those mirrors. It's gonna be kind of a cluster because the mounts that I bought, they mount to the cage where the cage bolts together. So I have to unbolt the front of the cage and put them in there.
Where are the mounts?
Oh, they're somewhere. Oh, they're in a brown bag. Find a brown bag.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah. So
AJK.
AJK. I will find a link for his page and I will put that in the description below. It's AJK Off-Road.
Like this?
I think so. That's how I'm going to mount them. But I'm going to have to, because I have the full windshield, it constricts with that, but I'm just going to cut my windshield. I don't care. So I figure it'll probably be easier to mount one side and then slide the windshield kind of in place and then mark it and cut it. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and just take the mirrors off. The mounts are pretty self-explanatory. You take the cage bolts out, you replace it with the new bolts and the spacers provided, and then the mounts are on. Then I'm gonna mount the lights and get them in place, and I'm gonna start routing wire.
And it came with mounts? I mean, bolts for the mounts?
Yeah. Okay, so I removed the bolts, put in the new bolts. You could put these on either side. It will work on either side because your spacer goes in between the cage and the bracket, and then that way it doesn't flip the bracket when you try to tighten it. So that's there. Those are tight. The reason why I say so if you have them facing out like I do here, it puts the light further out this way. If you have them facing the other way, it puts the light further in. I wanted them further out because these lights are big and I didn't want them obstructing my view, and I have to cut less on my windshield right here.
Okay, it's focusing. So here's what Blake did. So here's the bolt holes, and we just took a little bit out, you know, about your thumb's width, fingers width.
Dremel with a plastic blade.
Yeah, did this side too. Now it sits just like it's supposed to. Where's the Dremel? Oh, right here. Yeah, Dremel with the
Plastic.
Yeah.
Cut it right apart.
Oh.
And everything else. Okay, so the windshield's cut. It's not mounted because because I have to be able to put this cowling in. So it's unscrewed. The mounts are still there. When I'm ready to put the cowling in, we'll just slide the windshield up, put the cowling in, bolt it down and everything, and then slide it back down, and then screw the windshield in, and it'll be there. But now for the fun part, wiring. I was lying when I said fun.
Which is now easier because
we have a fuse box that is just positive and negative. Yes, I do have to route to a switch, but this nice harness here has it all built in, so I'm not using this switch. I am using, oh, she was upside down. This switch turns something on. I have a couple of those on the dash. And then I will put a link in the description below. And then I will find a link for these. I bought these from who?
Wait, this?
Yeah, who did I buy the lights from?
Oh, you bought these lights at UTV Takeover,
From
Winoka, Oklahoma, from Rugged Radios.
Rugged Radios. They were selling the rigid lights.
For cheap. Discount.
Yes, I did pay significantly less for these. Retail, these are around $599, something like that.
Some websites, $600.
Yeah, they're around $600. From what I've seen, I can't say that they are. They are the best light company out there. My opinion. I have.
In the USA.
Yeah. Made in USA. You can take a gun and, oh shoot, I shouldn't have said that. And shoot through this light, and whichever ones it doesn't touch will still work.
Great, we're going to be censored now.
Oh shoot.
Redneck
I
in a
just
hat.
said that one too. Yeah, Redneck in a Hat. Check him out.
Yeah.
It's a buddy of ours.
Dell's Power Sports.
Dell's Power Sports. Check them out. They hook us up with pretty much everything.
And they will hook you up too.
Yep. Tell them we sent you. Talk to Roman or Kayla in parts and let them know we sent you. But I think first things first is I'm going to go cut a hole in the dash for the switch. And then I will start routing wires and everything for the lights. What are you doing?
I just finished running all the wires up here.
Oh. I cut my hole. It's not perfectly. You know, I need to make myself a metal template for these switches. Because if you're anything like me, I like the cockpit of like an airplane. I like switches. So I've got switches. And yeah, that's all I got.
Yeah, it's a shame Honda can't be as cool as Kawasaki.
Yeah, I know. Give me more switch spots. I mean,
And mine are all marked.
3? That's all you're going to give me. And they're used? I need switch spots. And yes, I know they've got... Okay, so I have an instrument cluster relocation kit coming someday. Someone is 3D printing it up for me. I will show you when it's done, but it's pretty cool. And then I could put switches here. I know there's a plate that covers this that does switches, but I like my cubby. I want them to stay there. So anyways, got my switch spot. Adam, take the wires for the switch and feed them to me. Like it'll be on this side of the fuse panel here.
Okay.
And then you see my finger in here?
Yeah, okay.
Like I'll put the flashlight there.
Yeah.
This is really hard to hold the flashlight. Oh, wait a minute. Because I have a cubby.
Am I close?
Don't know. Can't see. This way.
Oh, I can't reach.
Oh, wait. There you are. Hold on. Pull the wire. Slowly.
You want me to pull it or push it?
Pull. Okay. Right there. I probably should have told you to take the switch off first.
Well, yeah. Probably.
Yeah, go ahead and do that. Gravel. Come on, Adam. Put your purse down.
Dang.
There you go.
Yeah, hit it with your purse.
All right, let's try this again. Oh, right there. Step. Okay, I got it. All right.
Pull it.
Oh, you just pulled it out.
No, I didn't.
I'm blaming it on you.
Oh, gosh.
Get it back to me. Come on, you can do it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, I got it. Oh, yeah.
Pull.
Pull.
There you go.
Okay. All right. Do I need to like tie this off somewhere so you don't pull it back through again?
Maybe.
Okay. Here, I know what to do. Okay. We'll be back. Psh, it's in. And turn the key on. Lights up. And then. Psh. Adam, you want to show him?
Let me see the phone. What's it look like here? Hit it. Oh my God. Okay, now the phone. Well, leave it on for a second. Look at that. Okay, let me show you the wall. Look, I do amazing hand puppets.
There you go. Stay there. Look at the wall.
Okay.
All right, light bar. All right, see how that is? And shine it down just a hair towards the red toolbox.
Here, let's do this. Here we go.
Down on the red toolbox. Light bar shine. Okay, now I'm gonna turn these on. Light bar, non-existent.
Now, turn the light bar off. Okay. Now turn those off and then turn the light bar back on. Okay, perfect.
Okay, so we got that done. I went ahead and put my mirrors back on. They barely fit. There's like a brace here, right there. The brace right there. It was hard to weasel in because I got all my wires go to my GPS and stereo up top and everything. But then my GPS mounts here right below a bar that goes across. And then I've got my mirror tucked in there. Anyways, we're all done with that. So now it's just putting the cowling back on, which you guys should know how to do that. When I put those on, my windshield had to be in there before the lights could get mounted. And the windshield's in there, but it's not mounted. I took the screws out of the windshield. It's loose so that I can get the cowling in. Once the cowling's in, then I'll mount the windshield. But yeah, it worked out pretty well with cutting the windshield.
Yeah, right about a finger's width, maybe slightly more, and boom, perfect.
Yeah, so worked out pretty well. I need to clean everything. I wash the outside, but I don't clean in here. I mean, you really can't because the cowling's covering it. But yep. Alrighty, well, everything's done. Throw it back together, and I will show you what these look like at nighttime. And let's go to that now. Okay, so this is just headlights right now. That's actually high beam. Low beam, high beam. This is, shoot, I can't see. There we go. All right.
Light bar or what?
This is light bar.
Light bar.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, here is the spotlights.
Ta-da.
So with that and the light bar, it turns it into daylight.
Yeah. Super daylight. And I'm pretty sure the camera's not quite picking up everything my eyes are seeing.
That's the spot, or this is light bar, no light bar, spotlights with light bar. No light bar with light bar. No spotlights with spotlights.
I bet this house at the end of the road is like, what in the heck is going on?
What the hell are they doing? Okay.
Okay.
Nothing but, that's nothing but spotlights.
amazing.
The light bar, I think, helps it. Turns it to, like, daylight.
It fills in what is left of the gap.
And then add the headlights.
Yeah. Well, all right.
That's how it looks. So there's just the spotlights, just to remind you. Well worth the money. All right. Well, hopefully you like those lights. Not really too much of a how-to. Pretty self-explanatory. Positive to negative, or positive to positive, negative to negative. I'll put a link in the description below for the lights, the switch. What else?
I think that's it.
Dell's Power Sports. Check them out.
Yeah, if you didn't see it when Blake was blinding me, it's on here on the shirt.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, where are you going, Blake?
Yeah, Dell's Power Sports. Check them out. Roman or Kayla. I know we say that a lot, but they will help you out. Make sure you tell them that we sent you. And yeah, I think
Mostly bald guys.
yeah. So check out the links in the description. We'll see you guys next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Click that like button again. Not again, because that'll turn it off. Anyway, see you guys next time.